He's here. I can feel it.
You're late, Mara.
Not anymore.
I know someone's here. You shouldn't have come. Then we finish this now. Stop running!
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a few ways to create videos with Ultra Prompt Generator using Gemini, Nano Banana, and Grok Video. So let's start. I will first upload, and I will say, let's create this movie. Okay, so this is our first prompt. I will just copy this and bring it here. Then I see there is some empty space, so we don't need this because we don't need this one. The rest is fine, so I just copy all of this. Okay, also we can remove this. This is the other shot, so okay. I put it here, I will put it on Pro, and generate. Okay, there it is. As you can see, it generates all these sequences as a storyboard. We can download this for now. Of course, you can prompt it also if you want to remove all this writing. I can say, just remove all the text, make a grid with no gaps, and it will do it. Okay, good. So now we go to Grok, and I will just drop the image here. Okay, and the same way, I will just put the prompt here and generate. Well, this is one way to do it. It has a little bit of variation, but you can keep doing this. And it will generate a lot of different options. Another thing we can do is just copy this and generate from the text without using the grid. Also, for the grid, while it's generating, I can say, please remove all the text, make a grid with no gaps. Okay, that's it. So remove all the text, and you get a clear version. Yeah, okay. So it kind of generates a video with multiple cuts. Again, not all the parts are good, but you can use some of the parts and just keep generating more videos and keep continuing with ChatGPT. I can say like, next scene. So now you can see it's generating the next scene, which I think is much easier to generate, because the first one was a little bit harder, you know. So this one is better. This prompt also works with Google VO3 and also with Sora. It works very well with Sora too. So I just copy this again. I come here, I remove this one, we don't need the final node, and then I scroll up and remove this line also. We don't need it. And this one also. Okay, then let me just copy all of this, go to Gemini, and generate. Then I will do one more video here, without the grid image. So this is another idea. The idea of the storyboard is very good. You see he's working on some newspaper, and then it has a very nice connection with all the shots as a storyboard. Let me check what this is. Let's try with the image. This time, I will use Grok to generate the video. I just click here, come here, and get this. So what we are going to do now is upload the image and then add this. No background music, no grid, full screen video. This will be enough to use the first frame of the image and then generate the entire video without any other animations or any kind of glitches. Okay, the video is done, so let's see. You can see it's kind of perfectly matched with the storyboard. Again, there is some lighting, and maybe I can do another one because there was some kind of glitch with the style or the colors. Also, I know that Grok can read all these texts, so these texts are not good here. Well, this is how you can do a multi-shot and multi-cut scene using Grok and ChatGPT. That's it. You can also try other ways to use it, like editing a little bit more inside ChatGPT. You can ask for updates like, don't do this, remove final notes. So it will fix the structure of the grid and the prompt and generate better ones for you. I hope you understand now how to use this Ultra Prompt Generator. We also have another option where you can create prompts with camera cuts. You can see here, I just click on that button and it generates some generic prompts. Then I just copy all of this, go to my Grok, paste it here, and the video is generated.
He's here. I can feel it.
You're late, Mara.
Not anymore. He's here. I can feel it.
Also, if I do a new chat and create another one, I just copy it, go to my Grok, replace this one, and click Generate. So that's how you do it.
You shouldn't have come. Then we finish this now. I know.
That's it for today.